Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you this part here. So now, remember I told you, remember I said on the video before, you gotta have the key inside here. So before you put that, this is your lock for your parking here, so you can't take out a park. So you've got to actually turn the key to the yellow, to the little mark here. See that mark there? It's called that mark there. Turn the key to the little dot, and then there's a little lock inside here, a lug. I'll show you on this one so you understand what I mean. Where is it? In here. See that inside there, that little bottom part? See how it's like a T piece, like a little T. Sorry, it's hard to, there you go. See how it's like a T? It's like a T, letter T there. That's part of the actual, that's how you gotta feed that little cable in. The cable's got a little T-shape spring lock. They actually pull the lock, unlock this and locks it. But you gotta put the key inside here and turn it, like to turn a quarter turn or half, so you can actually unlock the little lug inside here that locks the actual cable in. Otherwise you can't push this cable in. So you gotta put the key on to actually quarter turn this to actually ignition on, and then you can feed this cable in. So you need to test it. See, I can't take out a park. You gotta make sure that you turn the key first, hit the brake, turn it, and then make sure that works first before you assemble everything back up. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.